Hello, my beautiful friends. Today we're using one of the most powerful natural ingredients, honey, to create anti-aging masks that reduce wrinkles, fade dark spots, and bring back your youthful glow. First recipe, firming and nourishing. Ingredients: half a teaspoon of honey, 1 small piece of ripe banana, mash the banana and mix with honey until smooth. Benefits: this mask hydrates dry skin, nourishes it deeply, and improves texture. How to use: apply the mask to your face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then splash with cool. Apply your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week for visible results. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more natural glow-ups. Second recipe, deep moisture boost. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of shea butter, half a teaspoon of honey, mix well. Benefits: restores elasticity, deeply moisturizes, and softens mature skin. How to use: apply evenly to face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, comment below and tell us where you're watching from. Third recipe, lifting and brightening. Ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of cottage cheese. Blend the ingredients into a creamy paste. Benefits: brightens the skin, smooths texture, and gently lifts sagging areas. How to use: apply generously to clean skin, including face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Apply moisturizer. If you like this recipe, like the video, leave a comment, and share it with a friend. Fourth recipe, tightening and smoothing. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of gelatin powder, two teaspoons of milk, half a teaspoon of honey, mix well. Benefits: firms skin, reduces fine lines, and improves tone. How to use: apply the mask to your face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then splash with cool. Apply a soothing moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week for visible results. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural anti-aging recipes. Fifth recipe, Brightening and gentle exfoliation. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of almond flour, half a teaspoon of honey. Benefits: softens skin, brightens complexion, and removes dull surface cells. How to use. Apply in circular motions, massaging gently into face and hands. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Apply moisturizer. Use 2 times a week. Sixth recipe: detox and rejuvenation. Ingredients: 1 tablet of spirulina, crushed to powder. 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Half a teaspoon of honey. Mix well until smooth. Benefits: detoxifies skin, calms irritation, and boosts radiance. How to use. Apply to face, neck, and chest. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse gently with warm water, then cool. Pat, dry, and moisturize. Use once or twice a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.